replace the fuel filter on this Cub Cadet riding lawnmower. It has a Kohler engine, which is pretty standard for lawn tractors of its size. This is the new one, this is the old one. This is going to be really simple. Unhook this hose right here. Hard to do one-handed. I have this empty gas can here to catch any gas that slips out because I have pretty much a full tank here. Alright, so I removed the clamp. So now what I can do is I can just shimmy this off here, and I'm going to quickly make sure any gas that falls out goes into the can. And there it's going. I'm just going to let it drain into there. And hopefully you didn't spill too much. And once we're done, you can just follow the same procedure in reverse to put the new filter back on. Alright, and then we're going to take off the other end on this old one, same way we did the first half. You can see there's still some gas in there, so we will want to be careful with that. If nothing else, it's yellow, so we're putting on this new filter now. Just pop it right in, slide your clip back over, and then you want to put your gas back in the tank and make sure there are no leaks and that everything's working correctly. Hope this video is helpful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And check out my other videos too. Up next I'll be changing out this air filter.